Kita. Look here, trailer for motorcycles. If you have a truck, okay, truck, not car, because truck is thick,
Long, όχι long.
not long, depth,
Wide.
wide. If you have car, it's not good, but if you have truck, it's good. Or camper also. This way it does not go the vehicle longer. Καταλαβες?
It does not exceed
It's like,
from the sides.
Kita, if you have regular trailer, the vehicle you drive is longer then. But now not. Where's the thumb?
Ίσως από εδώ.
Wheelie duo. Ας το τέτοιο.
Το θέλει.
Hello. This is good for thumbnail. The blue in the back.
Let's see.
Πιο μακριά. Πιο μακριά. Λέγατε λίγο.
Now the video is going to be better.
Look. Normally trailers are like this. The wheel is here and here. But now it's here and there. And if you have track, this is good. Because you're already long. You don't need to be longer. But you are wide also.
Of course.
Anyway, so being wide doesn't bother you. So this is the way to go for a truck, to my opinion.
For truck or camper.
Yes. Look. Another. This is for two. This is how they go up. This is the thumbnail. Oh yeah.
We have some other.
Racks.
I told you for bicycling. This is a plain box.
It's racks.
And this big one.
Who makes these trailers?
Covered with
Who makes these trailers?
Alco.
Where are we? Which country? Which country are we now?
Deutschland.
Germany.
Germany.
Where do you see things like this? Only?
Only here.
Only in Germany.
Only Germany, yes.
Germany has everything. Do you agree?
Yes.